Hey, it's James here from Content Snare, and this is part 4 of our story of launching our new SaaS product called Content Snare. This one's all about UX, and this was a stage that we haven't really focused on previously with our previous software products, or we've never really put a lot of effort into it. But this time, we thought we'd go down this path, and it was one of the best things we possibly could have done in the beginning, I think. Basically, we found a UX designer through our lead developer. There was just a good friend. I think hiring people, that's always one of the best ways to find people is through recommended people from your current employees, because then they can vouch for them. Anyway, so we got this guy on board, and basically had some chats about what the app was going to do, how it was going to work, at least in our mind. What kind of information we needed to display, whether schedules or dashboard pages, or the way we'd show requests. I mean, every software project's different. That process is really just sitting down and trying to work out exactly what information you need to display to your users, and then giving that to the UX guy to work out how that should be displayed, what's the easiest way to make things work. And yeah, this was just amazing because he came back. We got a lot of designs done. He came back with a lot of things, as you can see here. These weren't all in the very first revision, but a lot of them were. I think we had up to 100 screens mocked up before we had even started any code whatsoever. First stage was wireframes, which you can't see here, so that was just black and white to make sure we're on the right track, and then he filled it out, and we've actually got our full branding and UI kit now as part of this. And this is essentially what I gave to our web designers to build our entire website. So we did the UX first, and then the website came second. And yeah, we were super happy with everything that came back. And the reason I think this was so good is because the developers knew exactly what they had to build. It's pretty rare to find someone who's good at design and development. So I think separating those two was a very, very good decision and should be done every time. Yeah, so, and the other awesome benefit of this, which is going to lead into my next video, is that we had some designs that we could essentially send out to people. We used SmartMockups as a way to embed some of these pictures. Essentially, that's all they are, is pictures. Embed them in like a device, like a MacBook, to make it look like the app is sitting there on a MacBook. We used that tool, and I think we used 2 screenshots to get our initial sign up volume, which is what I'll go into in the next video.